you've been a Garnier user?
Well, I've been a Garnier user since when I lived in England pa. So,
You'll all be wondering how you can have this.
Among the products, which is your favorite?
Just purchase any Garnier product and get a chance to have an exclusive photo with her in an instant. And to give you more good news, Garnier products are a 10% discount only today, only here at Watson. So don't miss this chance to have your photo with Garnier Interactive's brand ambassador, Ms. Regina Wilson. Just purchase any Garnier product and you can have a chance to have an exclusive photo with her. For all those who have registered in our Facebook account, just approach any of us right here so we can give you a green sticker so we can give you priority link.
uses very powerful.
And for all those who have not yet purchased, then don't miss this chance. Hurry and grab a Garnier product now and get a chance to have your photo with her.
Do you have problems with your skin, particularly with acne or probably wrinkles?
For all the people who are going to your photo op, you can claim your photos here at the front. Again, for all those who are already done with your photo op, you can claim your photos at the front.
So I think with my business talaga, you have to always get rid of the pimple right away. So that's where Garnier comes in, taking care of pimples properly. That's a Pure Active line.
Garnier Pure Active is a range of products that actively fight the skin problems and delivers visible results right from day one. So if you have skincare problems, then purchase any Garnier Pure Active today.
How long do you
Beautiful skin and get a chance to have an exclusive photo souvenir with Ms. Regina Wilson. It happens only today, so don't miss this chance, guys.
Okay.
Very beautiful. Thank you.
Okay, can you please just give a short message to our readers and to your fans about the new Garnier product today?
So today we're talking
To know more about Garnier, please do visit our Facebook account, Garnier Philippines, and follow us on Twitter at GarnierPH for updates.
calamansi or whatever other.
Again, to know more about Garnier, please do check out our Facebook account, Garnier Philippines, and do follow us on Twitter at GarnierPH for updates.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.